Okay, so I've had a bunch of people asking me when I was going to post the designs for this V5 grabber, and I normally like to wait until I have a chance to really test something to make sure it's going to work good. You know, I don't want to post shitty stuff that people are going to print out and it's going to fail on, but I've been running this type of grabber for give or take 6 months. This particular model, this one here, I think I've been using it for, I want to say about three, maybe 4 months without any issues. In fact, I don't even think I broke the claw mechanism on it, which is the part that I expect to break first on any of these. Now, we have the standard one that has the 2-foot piece of PVC for the center that I've been using, and then I built another one here for, well, a little bit of an upgrade, where we're using 25mm carbon fiber. So I have posted the designs for both versions. So if you want the fancy one, you can make it. You want the not so fancy one, you can make that too, no big deal. We also have the designs for the mold to make the actual gripping component, the little blue piece here on the bottom. You can try to print that out of TPU if you want, but personally, I like the silicone a whole lot better. This right here is the material that I got from Amazon, and I have the link on the Colts 3D page. The tools you need, you're going to obviously need an Allen wrench if you use hex head screws like I do. And you're going to need a way to crimp the wire that goes down in the middle of these things, which is, it's a, what is it, 16th gauge stainless steel. Now the great thing about these, one of the great things about them, is that you assemble the claw as a full system. Then you assemble the handle as a full deal. You attach that to the PVC, and then you can actually just drop the wire down through the middle. You hook it in the bottom back here first. You undo the spring, put the little crimp in that hole in the bottom, reattach the spring, and then you just take the wire and fit it into the little hole on the actual trigger mechanism, and you're good to go. Joshua makes it very easy to fix, and if you have to replace a part, no big deal, super quick. But there we go. So I've got them on Colts 3D. Here we have the Colts 3D page that has all the info. To find it, you just search FTMOG GRABBER V5. You'll find all of the files to do this in both STL and step file. We have the links down here for the things I had to purchase from Amazon. If you want to make the PVC version, the handle and the claw have PVC behind them. If you want to make the carbon fiber version, you'll see the handle and claw files that say CF behind them. So you've got that info, and then here's the actual carbon fiber link that I used for that. Now, I know people that have printers, a lot of people that have printers seem to think that everything is free. I put a lot of work into stuff, so I don't really do free stuff, but for the files to make this thing, $32. And you can make as many of these grabbers as you want. Now the really great thing about this particular grabber is that you can fix the thing. You know, for like a park department or just a city groundskeeping or really anything like that, any place that's using a whole bunch of grabbers, they spend so much money on cheap commercial grabbers. They use them for a little bit and then they throw them away and they have to buy more or they have to get more donated. But these things, you can fix them. And once you have the files for it, the part that breaks, which is likely this piece here at some point, probably cost you, I don't know, maybe $1, if that, to make another one of those. You could set a printer up and make a ton of those and easily be able to fix them, because replacing that component takes all of about 3 minutes, if that, you know. It depends on what tool you have, but that's the whole reason behind these things. I needed a grabber that would hold up, that could do the job, and not, you know, not have to buy a new grabber every time it broke. And I gotta say, it works, and it works good.